In this video, let's look at how to read the graph and get the extrapolations. And then we're also going to write a conclusion, right? Talk about that. So let's see. I want to zoom in here so I can read the graph better. Okay, so the lowest extrapolation, this is minus 300, 305, 310. I'm going to say minus 311. So double click that. Hello. Minus 311 degrees Celsius. Keystrokes for all those formatting things. That was, on a Mac, it's command period to make it superscript. All right, the best fit extrapolation is minus 275, minus 280. What do you guys think? I'm going to say minus 283, which is a bit off, right? We think it's minus 273.15, right? Okay, let's see. And then the highest extrapolation is this guy right here. So that's minus 250, 255. Boy, I think it's 258 is what I think it is. And if yours are different, that's just fine. Everybody's unique. And yeah. All right, so there we go. There. Okay. And then what should it be? Well, you know, we kind of know the answer, right? This should be minus 273.15 degrees Celsius, right? There we go. All right. So now we need to write. So basically just read this, read it as accurately as you can. Remember that the minor grid lines are 5 degrees, right? Okay. And then we have to answer this question, right? So the first one is just say what it was. And here you just need to sound like the weather person, right? Okay. What were your results? Well, I would lead with what your best fit extrapolation is. My best fit extrapolation was minus 283 degrees Celsius. But the steepest and least steep lines allowed a range of minus 311 degrees Celsius to minus 258 degrees Celsius. And that's all you need to say there. Just say what they are. Cite them, write words. There it is, right? Then we have here, right? Cite what absolute zero is and do two things, right? Compare it to the value you got for the best fit line and state whether it falls within your max and min extrapolations, right? So the next thing is you say, well, Lord Kelvin predicted that it would be minus 273.15, and I got minus 283 degrees Celsius. So this is 10 degrees different or something like that. However, then you got to say however, right? Okay. However, Lord Kelvin's value of minus 273.15 falls between my values of minus 311 and minus 258. Now, just say that. That's if it's true, right? If it's not true, if you could say, well, my Lord Kelvin's value not only doesn't match my best fit extrapolation, but also does not fall within my range of extrapolation. Okay, so choose whichever case it is, right? So for this one, you're just going to say what your results were. Max, your best fit, start with that. The lowest, the highest, right? And then here you want to say, Lord Kelvin predicted it would be minus 273.15. And so that is 10 degrees higher than my minus 283 degrees, but it falls in this range, okay? And state what the range is there, okay? State what your numbers are. All right, I think I'm done talking.